Hey everybody, welcome back to my Grow Like a Pro YouTube channel. Yesterday, May the 3rd, I showed you some cantaloupe seeds that I had started germinating. And I'm going to open these up right now. And they are screaming at me to be planted. So I just filled this little thing from last year. I never throw away my little containers when I buy flowers. Always keep those because you can reuse them. So I just filled this up with some soil from an old planter from last year that I had some other stuff in. I guess it was flowers or something, but we have all of these, and so I want to get these planted. So I'm just going to make a couple of little spots in here, and then we'll get these in. And you can see how much activity is going on with these. And when you take these, you want to be very, very careful and just take them and just drop them in, so that you have the little tail is downward. I guess I'm going to do, so that one there, that's good like that. I'll get that one in here. Any which way. I'm going to go maybe 2 or 3 in each one of these. So you just want to make sure that they're pretty well covered. And then just continue on. So just grab it. Make sure the tail, where are we here? The little tail is down in the soil, and then just drop it in. I go down just enough and then I just cover it over. And that's good like that. So I'll just finish these up off camera and then I'll come back when I'm doing the last ones. Alright, I didn't cover them all up. I just wanted to show you all of them here. One of them is empty. And then we just cover them up. And these are coming out. They're really starting to come along very well. I just want to get those covered. Be very, very gentle with them. You can use something other than your finger if you want. Nice and easy. Just cover them up. And it looks good. This is nice and relaxing. Just like that. I'm impressed that these came along so well. We had, what, 100% germination success with these seeds. There we go, covered up. There we have it. So this here is nothing but old soil that I had in a large planter, and that's what I decided to use. So this soil has been out through the winter. It's very, very soaked right now. So I'm going to get these after I finish filming this video. I'll take these, get them outside. A little bit of sunlight. We're still in temperatures up in Canada here where we're still getting pretty cold at night, so I will be bringing them in. But a little bit of heat on them will be nice. And that's it for now. So that's the end of this really fast video. So when something starts happening, then I will come back. I'm going to film it and just show you the progress. So if you're still here and you made it, thanks very much for watching. I also have another video where I'm going to be planting the little pepper seeds. So that's it for this really fast one. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.